Balik mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live ning unang adlaw sa Chinese New Year. Magpakisayod ta ni ining espesyal nga tradisyon ug selebrasyon sa atong mga kaigsuonan nga sagad sab natong gisaulog dinhi sa Pilipinas. Karong tuiga lahi gyud ang selebrasyon gumikan ni ining atong nasinati nga pandemya. Unsa may makahuluganon o importansya ni ining pagselebrar nato sa Chinese New Year. Kini atong pakisayran karong buntaga. Makauban nato head mga kapuso sa Po Guangshan Temple si Venerable Miao Jing. Good morning, Venerable Miao.
Good morning and 恭喜发财.
Thank you so much. Happy Chinese New Year as well. May we know how important, how significant is the celebration of Chinese New Year?
It marks the beginning of the year, even though we are following the lunar calendar. So I always felt that we are lucky because we get to celebrate first, the January 1st. If I haven't got in time for my New Year resolutions, then we always have the second chance that come around a month later, the lunar Chinese New Year.
May we know about the history of the Lunar New Year, Venerable Miao Jing? Why do we celebrate it? The dates, we understand, is movable every year, right?
It follow the moon. It follow the moon. Or we could also refer it as the agricultural calendar. The beginning, the first or the moment when it starts. So from New Year Eve, counting down towards New Year Day, we fire firecrackers or we burn firecrackers. Long time ago, it was said to be a monster called Nian. Nian in Chinese also means year. It would come and cause harm by kids and taken them away. And so people begins to burn the crackles to produce sounds and be very loud so that it would scare away the monster Nian. And hence that actually also mark the beginning of a good season, the beginning of a good time, the beginning of being safe and protected. So Nian never show up ever again.
We're familiar with your temple there in Virama Avenue here in Cebu City. Every year during the Lunar New Year, the Chinese New Year, you open the temple to the public with your, of course, different celebrations. But this is entirely different for the year 2021 because of the pandemic.
It's a different way, but it is going to be a good different way because now the visual or the digital platform is beyond geography. So there is a space. There is a spaceless. It becomes spaceless. So no matter where we are now, we get to celebrate Chinese New Year together all around the world. It used to be maybe from 6 to midnight. Now it's 24 hours because the other side of the hemisphere is also celebrating Chinese New Year.
Finally, Venerable Miao, we heard that today you have a special song number of performance for our brothers and sisters watching us right now.
The lines on the lights means the lights of hope will be shining on you and wishing you good health and happiness. So the lights of hope and the lights from the Buddha will be shining on you. Buddha's light shining on you. Buddha's light shining on you. Wishing you happiness, wishing you good health. Buddha's light shining on you. 佛光照耀着你，佛光照耀着你，祝福你健康，祝福你快乐，佛光照耀着你。
Thank you so much.
谢谢，新年快乐
Happy Chinese New Year. Thank you very much.